Welcome to the workshop. First, we remove the paint from the face and hair. Take a palette and 2 paints. Mix them together to get a more neutral tone. And paint the face and entire body. Paint on blue streaks, attach heart-shaped buns, and return to the face. Sketch the eyes with a pencil. Use paint to give them shape and color. Such big, adorable eyes. A few more details, and the face is done. Now let's get our doll dressed. We'll make the clothes from blue and pink fabric. Trace the overalls pattern and cut out 2 halves in different colors. Sew them together.
Wow!
Underneath, we put a white t-shirt with a cute little heart. Add a pocket in the front and 2 more on the sides. Put on her sneakers. Now for the secret ingredients. Take a little bottle of joy and add it. Now we add kindness, chaos, creativity, and a little bit of humor. Pour it all over our doll. Oops, well, that might have been a bit too much chaos. And the most important ingredient of all, love. We pour in a whole lot. You turned out absolutely adorable.
Hi, I'm Lali. Oh wow, so much glitter.
Lali, you're so funny. Let me brush some of that off you.
Achoo!
Glitter really does suit you, though. Totally your vibe.
Thank you, that's exactly what I wanted. Wow, LaLiLu, your paints are so awesome. Can I paint with them too?
Of course, here's a brush and some paper.
Thank you. Okay, let's go.
Whee!
Wow, LaLiLu, look, I painted so much.
Let me see.
Look.
Wow, Lali, you have a real talent.
I ran out of papers. Look, LaLiLu, it's beautiful, right?
That's,
It's a masterpiece, I know, and everyone needs to see it. Let's see what they're painting over there. Interesting. And what about that? Oh my. LaLiLu, I need one of those things urgently.
an easel?
Yes.
Okay, let's make one. We'll need some ice cream sticks. Add a little shelf at the bottom and repaint one leg pink. Coat it with varnish and sprinkle on glitter. Add brushes and a palette.
LaLiLu, are you almost done?
Your easel is ready, Lali.
It's good, but something's missing.
What is it, Lali?
How did you not figure it out? Obviously rhinestones. Now it's absolutely perfect.
Yeah, Lali, it really does look better.
Slay, let's go. Girls, can I sit next to you? Look at my easel. Very interesting. Yep, now I have a real easel. I'm officially a real artist.
Attention, attention! We are announcing a best portrait competition.
And here comes our model.
What? Oh, wow, amazing. We're entering. I'm first. Awesome, I want to enter too. Oh, there's a line.
We're about to paint such an incredible portrait. Everyone is going to be blown away.
LaLiLu, maybe I shouldn't. What if mine isn't good enough?
Don't worry, Lali. You can do it.
All right, then, let's begin.
Mine is going to be the best portrait.
Wow, the model is so beautiful. I'm gonna paint her better than anyone.
Attention, attention! Time to present your paintings.
Ta-da!
Here's mine.
LaLiLu, maybe I won't show mine. It probably didn't turn out well.
Go on, Lali. I believe in you.
Okay, here's my painting.
What? She painted better than me?
They love it, LaLiLu.
Amazing. Great job. This is the best portrait I have ever seen. And here is your prize.
Yay, thank you.
Bravo, Lali. Oh, you're so talented.
I'm so tired all of a sudden.
Lali, time to wake up.
Just a little longer. Stop it.
Well, if you won't get up nicely.
No, I don't want to get up. I don't want to get up.
But you have to go to school.
Right, I have such an important day today. Where are my clothes? LaLiLu, I have nothing to wear. There's literally nothing here.
Isn't that your outfit right there?
LaLiLu, that is so not stylish.
Okay.
LaLiLu, will you sew me something amazing? Please, please, please. I even have a sketch ready.
Wow, how beautiful. Did you draw this yourself?
Well, obviously, I'm talented.
Then let's go craft it. Come on in. So, where do we start?
With measurements.
Okay then, we measure the sleeves, then the waist, the wrists.
Oops, I think I got a little carried away.
Let me untangle you. And here are our materials. The colors work perfectly. Let's start with the blue. Trace the pattern onto the fabric and cut out the pieces. Do the same with the pink fabric. Put all the pieces together and sew a crop top. Wow, it's so stylish with those wide sleeves. Lali, come here, let's try it on.
It's so cute, but something's missing. You forgot the heart.
I already have it ready.
That slaps, thank you. Now we just need the skirt.
Okay.
We take a strip of blue fabric and gather it. Almost ready. We just need to smooth out the folds. That's so much better. We'll also add a pink belt. It fits perfectly.
LaLiLu, I need knee-high socks.
Okay.
Take pieces of white fabric and sew them together carefully. Look how cute they are.
Let's put them on quickly.
Pulling them up, pulling them up. Oh, they're missing a pink trim. Should we make it from ribbon or rhinestones? What do you think?
Rhinestones, obviously, LaLiLu.
And move on to choosing shoes.
These are all so cool. Can I try them all on?
Let's start with these ones.
Something's off. The second pair isn't quite right either, is it? Ooh, but these are absolutely perfect. I want them, I want them, I want them.
It came out really stylish and put together. Lali, you're a total star in this outfit.
Thank you, I know. Let's go to school. Oh, wow, my very first day at school. Oh, who's that? Look, there's a new girl.
Wow.
What an incredible outfit. Absolutely stunning. Hey, newbie, your fit is literally slaying. Thank you, girls. Which designer are you wearing? That fit is absolutely top tier. Oh, so many compliments. The design is mine and LaLiLu sewed it. Girls, we urgently need fits like this.
Yeah!
Oh, well, since you're asking so nicely, she's gonna sew us outfits. LaLiLu, I don't have anything. Help! What do I do?
Lali, don't panic like that.
I'm gonna let everyone down. Oh no.
It's okay, I'll help you. We're going to make Lali a sewing machine out of a broken stapler. We remove the parts we didn't need. We'll also need a marker. Remove the cover and assemble the sewing machine. Attach a wheel made from a cap and put on a needle holder. For the needle, we'll pick one from my box. This pin will work perfectly. Time to decorate our machine. Cover it in rhinestones, going over every part, and add heart and star-shaped buttons. We just need some thread. To make it, we use a push pin. Cut off the sharp tip and wind thread around the head. That gives us a spool. We've got a sparkly sewing machine in Lali's signature style. But where will we put it? We'll need to make a table. Clear out an organizer, flip it upside down, and there's our table. Set out the necessary accessories on top, add a fabric drawer, hang a measuring tape here, some clips there. Lali will also need an iron and tweezers. Put the table on wheels and place the sewing machine right in the center. Time to show Lali our creation.
Wow, LaLiLu, this is a whole sewing corner. And rhinestones, it has everything you need for sewing. Okay, let's begin. I'm ready. Which thread do I use? Pink, obviously. Wow, Lali, what an amazing workshop. So cool. Girls, just a little longer, almost done. We'll add a button, give everything a good press, and voila. Wow, Lali, you turned us into total fashion icons. Girls, I'm so happy you love it.
What is going on here? Why aren't you in class? Oh, look at these outfits. Lali, can you make me one?
Of course. Voila.
Oh, wow, and in my favorite color, too.
You all look incredible. The best models in the world.
Which one of you is Lali?
That's me.
This is for you.
Yes! I'm invited to Fashion Week. I urgently need a new look. LaLiLu, will you help me make an outfit for the fashion show?
Of course, Lali. Let's sketch it out first.
I want to do it myself. Okay, almost done. There, this is the dress I want.
How beautiful. I think you really are a designer.
Oh, thank you, LaLiLu. I know.
Let's make you a dress out of a balloon.
Oh, wow, LaLiLu, that's a genius idea. Let's start right now.
First, we need to deflate it. Cut out a corset for Lali following the reference. Time to try it on.
Oh, wow, what a bodysuit. I love it so much.
Let's look at the sketch. We need a big fluffy skirt, too.
Yes!
Go back to our balloon and cut out a piece of the pink section. Make pleats and arrange pieces like this into our skirt. It looks amazing. Let's add some blue details for contrast. It turned out absolutely gorgeous.
Thank you, I'm obsessed. Are there gonna be rhinestones?
Let's add a big bow in the back. Now we add the gems.
Wow, it's so beautiful. Everything is sparkling. Can I wear my favorite sneakers?
These ones?
Yes, I love them so much. Amazing! They fit the look perfectly. LaLiLu, the dress is absolutely perfect. Exactly what I wanted. Thank you so much.
Do you want to look in the mirror?
OMG, I'm literally obsessed with my look. I can't stop staring at my reflection.
I'm so glad you love it.
You're the best. Now I need to put together a whole collection for the runway.
Do you need my help?
Yes.
You'll need your sewing machine with the table and some mannequins to display all your looks.
Wow, thank you so much. I'm gonna make the most amazing fits. Now what? What else? Yep, this is working.
Yay!
Yes, just a little more. I think. Oh, it turned out absolutely goated. LaLiLu, come look.
Wow.
Oh, wait, where's my phone? I need to photograph all this beauty. Looks like no one's here.
Wow, the outfits Lali made are incredible. They should be mine. I'll take off my shoes so no one hears me. Oh my gosh, they're so stunning. Oh no, Lali is coming back. I need to hurry. Victory will be mine.
Where are all my fits? What am I gonna show on the runway? No.
Oh, looks like my rival paid a visit. What terrible taste. They're not even pink. Hey, Lali, we're here. What? Lali, where are all your outfits?
Oh, LaLiLu, what do I do? I have nothing.
Don't stress, Lali. We'll figure something out.
Oh, I have a vision.
What is it?
Quickly bring me every single material you have. Hurry!
Okay.
Here's everything we have left.
That slaps. There's so much here. We can definitely work with this.
Lali, save the show.
We believe in you. I'm about to show you a life hack for making an incredible fit out of a balloon and tape. For this, we need a balloon and one of our models.
Hey!
Cut off the top and bottom of the balloon, and that gives us a dress like this. Let's try it on our model. Use the top section of the balloon as straps. It's literally slang.
Take some pink tape, fold it in half lengthwise, then fold it in half again. Trim the tape into the shape of a corset. Put it on the model.
Wow. LaLiLu, it's still missing some bling.
Okay.
Decorate the corset with rhinestones, arranging them into a large heart. The first look is done.
Let's make the next look out of hair ties and hair clips. What do you think?
Great idea. Let's start with this hair tie. It's really beautiful. We use it as a skirt on the model.
LaLiLu, we need a top. Let's make it from a hair tie too.
Good thinking. The pink one will work. The look is really elegant, but something's still missing.
LaLiLu, use my bow for decoration.
Exactly, great idea. Attach a bow from a hair clip to the back of the dress. Our second look is done too.
Oh wow, chef's kiss. We've got a bath sponge left, and I know exactly what to make from it. First, we need to pull it apart. Now we'll use it to make a gorgeous skirt. We can even add a top. And look at this amazing puffy mini dress we've got. What do you think of our life hacks? The fits turned out literally goated.
Yeah!
Bravo, Lali. You're a real designer. Every single look is stunning. Let's take one more look at Lali's designer dresses. She totally ate and left no crumbs.
Oh, I'm so anxious. I hope everything goes well. Girls, don't let me down.
Wow, what a show! Oh, this is absolutely breathtaking. Bravo!
Thank you.
Lali, you won first place, and you received the award for Best Designer.
But that's a ballerina figurine.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh, there was a mix-up.
Don't worry, LaLiLu. I'm still so happy. Girls, we won!
Woohoo!
Yay, amazing! Congratulations! Lali, what's wrong?
I don't know. I don't feel like this is really me, LaLiLu.
Oh, Lali, don't be sad. Why do you feel that way?
Maybe next time I should try being a